Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to log out or sign out of Google Maps. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Google Map. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Google Map, just like so. After you open up your Google Map, next thing you want to do is to simply tap on the picture icon from your profile. So click on that. It's load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and then click on sign out of Google Map. So click on that, and in a few seconds you will be signed out of Google Map. If you want to sign it back, simply click on sign in, and it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how you can sign out from Google Map. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.